Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, your trusted source for honest reviews and scam alerts. Today we're diving into a product that's gone viral online, the Hydro X5 pressure washer. Is it really powerful enough to clean your car, patio, and driveway? Or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out. The Hydro X5 is a compact, portable pressure washer that claims to deliver professional-grade cleaning without the bulk of traditional machines. It connects directly to your garden hose and supposedly blasts away dirt, mold, and grime in seconds. The ads show it cleaning cars, patios, windows, even dirty grills. But how well does it actually perform in real life? Let's look at the product features and compare them to what real users are saying. Claims of high pressure are often misleading. Many users report it has only slightly more power than a regular hose. The build quality is often described as cheap plastic, and some say it leaks after a few uses. Refund and return policies barely exist, and there's no clear warranty mentioned. It looks impressive in ads, but in reality, it's far from heavy-duty. We scanned customer reviews from forums, Reddit, and buyer feedback. The common verdict? It's not a pressure washer. It's a high-pressure nozzle at best. Many buyers feel misled by the marketing, expecting something comparable to a real machine. Poor packaging, late deliveries, and no customer support are also major complaints. Some even say the product came with no instructions, and it didn't fit their hose properly. So, is the Hydro X5 pressure washer worth buying? In our opinion, no. The product is overhyped, underperforms, and isn't backed by a reputable company. If you're expecting true pressure washing power, this won't deliver. It might work for light spraying, but it's definitely not worth the inflated price. You're better off investing in a real pressure washer or a trusted nozzle brand with solid reviews. If this review saved your money or your time, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor for honest reviews and scam warnings every week. Have you tried Hydro X5 or a similar product? Drop your experience in the comments. Your feedback helps others stay safe. Thank you!